I, Raviranjan Tiwari, today I am going to teach you class ninth. We have part 2, the Shahnai of Bismillah Khan. In previous classes, I have taught you about this chapter, the popularity of Bismillah Khan, how Bismillah Khan became popular in celluloid world, and how he rejected celluloid world. He always believed in reality. He never want to go beyond the reality. It is the specific feature of Bismillah Khan. Today, I will teach you the next paragraph of this chapter, paragraph 10. Please listen carefully. National award like Padma Shri, the Padma Bhushan and the Padma Vibhushan were conferred on him. बहुत सारे अवार्ड जैसे पद्म श्री, पद्म विभूषण इत्यादि उन्होंने लिया, उनको मिला. In 2001, Ustad Bismillah Khan was awarded India's highest civilian award, the Bharat Ratna, with the coveted award resting on his chest and his eyes glinting with real happiness. He said, "All I would like to say is teach your children music. This is the Hindustan's richest tradition. Even the West is now coming to learn our music." In 2001, he got Bharat Ratna, the India's highest civilian award, and he declared his desired, and he requested all Hindustanis to teach music to your children. This is the Hindustan's richest tradition. In the present time, Western people also coming to learn Hindustani music. In spite of having traveled all over the world, Khan Sahab, as he is fondly called, is exceedingly fond of Banaras and Dumrao, and they remain for him the most wonderful town of the world. A student of his once wanted him to head a Sahnai school in the USA, and the student promised to recreate the atmosphere of Banaras by replicating the temple there. But Khan Sahib asked him if he would be able to transport river Ganga, as well. Later he is remembered to have said, "That is why whenever I am in a foreign country, I keep hearing to see Hindustan. While in Mumbai, I think of only to see Banaras and Holy Ganga. And while in Banaras, I miss the unique mutt of Dumrao." In 12th paragraph, he declared his desire when he got popularity all over the world, and he traveled all over the world, but he always remembered Hindustan and his native place Dumrao. एक बार उनका एक शिष्य था जो अमेरिकन था, उन्होंने यूएस कहा कि यूएसए में एक शहनाई स्कूल खोला जाए. तो उन्होंने कहा था, रिक्रिएट द बनारस बाय रिप्लिकेटिंग द टेम्पल देयर, और बनारस की सारी जो एटमोस्फियर है वो सब यहाँ पे वैसा ही बना दिया जाएगा. तब उन्होंने कहा, Khan Sahab said, asked him if he would be able to transport river Ganga as well, कि अगर तुम संभव हो तो रिवर गंगा को भी अमेरिका में ला सको तो ऐसा हो जाएगा. This shows his love to his country, his national heritage, the natural heritage of India. He remembered, and later he remembered to have said, दैट इज वाई व्हेनेवर आई एम इन फॉरेन, वे कहते हैं कि जब मैं विदेशों में होता हूँ, आई कीप ईयरिंग टू सी हिंदुस्तान, मैं हिंदुस्तान के बारे में बात करता हूँ और उसे बहुत मिस करता हूँ, याद करता हूँ. व्हाइल इन मुंबई, जब मैं मुंबई में होता हूँ, आई थिंक ऑफ ओनली बनारस, तब मैं बनारस के बारे में केवल सोचता हूँ और होली गंगा के बारे में सोचता हूँ. एंड व्हाइल इन बनारस आई मिस द यूनिक मठ ऑफ डुमराव, और जब मैं बनारस में होता हूँ तो अपने यूनिक मठ डुमराव के बारे में सोचता हूँ. दिस शोज हिज लव फॉर नेशन, दिस शोज हिज लव ऑफ मदरलैंड, दिस शोज हिज लव ऑफ बनारस और द रिवर गंगा. उस्ताद बिस्मिल्लाह खान life is a perfect example of the rich cultural heritage of India. उस्ताद बिस्मिल्लाह खां का जीवन रिच कल्चरल हेरिटेज ऑफ इंडिया को का परफेक्ट एग्जाम्पल है. वन दैट effortlessly accepts that a devout Muslim like him can very naturally play the Sahnai every morning at the Kashi Vishwanath temple. वो एक believing strongly in a religion and obeying its laws and following its practice. वो एक अच्छे डिवोटी मुस्लिम थे, फिर भी कैन वेरी नेचुरली, एकदम प्राकृतिक रूप से वो बनारस के काशी विश्वनाथ टेम्पल के पास प्रतिदिन सुबह सहनाई बजाया करते थे. उस्ताद बिस्मिल्लाह खां passed away on 21st August 2006 at the age of 90 after a prolonged illness. एक लंबी बीमारी की वजह से उस्ताद बिस्मिल्लाह खां 21 अगस्त 2006 को वे इस दुनिया से गुजर गए. He was given a state funeral and the government of India declared on day of national mourning. और उन्हें राष्ट्रीय सम्मान के साथ उनको दफनाया गया और भारत सरकार उसको राष्ट्रीय शोक के रूप में घोषित किया. एक बार उनके बारे में बहुत ही मेमोरेबल उनकी स्पीच है जिसमें उन्होंने कहा, पार्टीशन के समय में जब देश बट रहा था आज़ादी के बाद, when partition happened, didn't you and your family think of moving to Pakistan? उसमें एक पत्रकार पूछते हैं गुप्ता जी कि अब एक नया कंट्री पाकिस्तान बन गया है, क्या आप नहीं चाहोगे आप और अपने परिवार को पाकिस्तान में ले जाने के लिए, वहां बसने के लिए? बिस्मिल्लाह खां कहते हैं, गॉड फॉरबिड me leave Banaras. Never I went to Pakistan once. I crossed the border just to say I have been to Pakistan. I was there for about an hour. I said namaskar to the Pakistanis and salam alaikum to the Indians. I had a good laugh. This shows his love for nation. This shows his love of natural heritage of India and love for his native place, his birthplace. This is the specific feature of Bismillah Khan. In this chapter, we study about Shahnai, how this musical instruments comes on the stage, and how Bismillah Khan make it popular all over the world, and the nature of Bismillah Khan. These all things we read in this extract, and at last I requested the student to see the question of this chapter and try to answer these questions. Question number first: why did Aurangzeb ban the playing of the Pungi? Question number two: how is a Sahnai different from a Pungi? Question number three: where was the Sahnai played traditionally, and how did Bismillah Khan change this? 4. When and how did Bismillah Khan get his big break? 5. Where did Bismillah Khan play the Sahnai on 15th August 1947? Why was the event historic? 6th question: why did Bismillah Khan refuse to start a Sahnai school in the USA? And 7th question: find at least 2 instances in the text which tell you that Bismillah Khan loves India and Banaras. I have discussed all the questions that is given in your textbook, and I already teach you this extract stanza by stanza or line by line. So I think you are able to answer these questions. You try to answer these questions, and I hope you will success to answer all these questions. Thank you.